friends, welcome back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to make veg kurma. Let's see how to make this. The ingredients required for this veg kurma are: I have taken 1 big onion chopped nicely, 2 big tomatoes chopped nicely. I have taken 2 small turnip, peeled the skin and made into small pieces, coriander for garnishing. You can use any vegetable for veg kurma. Here I am using turnip. You can use beans, carrot, peas, any vegetable. For this veg kurma, we need to roast some ingredients in oil and then we need to make it as a paste. So for that we require half onion, small onion I have taken, half tomato, 5 green chilies, little bit of ginger. I have taken 5 garlic cloves and I have taken spices, saunf, cinnamon stick and 2 cloves, and coconut I have taken half cup. Only these ingredients I am going to roast it in oil. Coconut we can grind it at last. I am using refined oil for seasoning, salt to taste and turmeric powder half teaspoon. And I have taken mustard seeds for seasoning. I have taken half a teaspoon. I have taken a kadai. I am adding little oil into it. Just you can add 1 teaspoon is enough. Heat up, then we can add the ingredients. Now let's add all the ingredients into it. Saunf, cloves, cinnamon stick, onion, tomato, green chili, ginger, garlic. Now we have to saute this nicely. We no need to saute this for a long time. So slightly you can saute it till the raw smell goes off. Then we can grind it in a mixer grinder. Now let's add this into the mixer grinder along with the coconut and then we can grind it into a smooth paste. Take a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Let it heat up. Now the oil is really hot. Let's add the mustard seeds. Let it splutter. After spluttering, add the curry leaves. After spluttering, add the onion. Saute it nicely. Now add tomatoes. Saute it. Saute it for a few minutes. After sauteing the tomatoes for 2-3 minutes, let's add the turnip. Saute this for a few minutes. Turmeric powder and salt. Saute it nicely. We are going to add water to it and cook for 2 whistles. So to this we are adding 1.5 cup of water and we need to cook this nicely. I will close this and cook it for 2 whistles. Now after 2 whistles I have opened the cooker. Now we need to pour the grinded mixture into it. So we have already grinded this along with coconut. So we are adding this and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Add some coriander while boiling. At last we can garnish again with coriander. Now after 10 minutes of boiling, the veg kurma is ready. Now we can serve it, garnishing with some coriander. The tasty, delicious veg kurma is ready. It goes well with idli, dosa and even white rice. It will be very delicious. Try this wonderful dish. See you in the next video. Bye friends.